Changing my setup all the time is one of my favorite things to do in my room. That's why I'm here once again with you guys to share another gaming setup that I made on my own. Hello everyone, this is Roland Uy and this is my most unique gaming setup. So basically, I built the pieces of wood in the form of a tripod, and at the same time, it looked like an easel stand. On the bar across, I stick a double adhesive foam for the protection of the bottom of my TV. Mainly, all the pieces are connected with one small bar at one end, but I purposely connected the back bar by a hinge, so at least I can fold it in case I decided to keep it for storage. I also put some bars across to serve as a shelf for my console. Unfortunately, I miscalculated the center pole, the reason why there is a joint part, as you can see here. I also put a little support from a small rope across, even if I know that all connections are already sturdy. Now let me put on my TV. To do this, I'm going to remove first the small bar on top with the screw in the middle. Then after putting on my TV, I'm going to put back the small bar as it is the one which serves as the lock from the top of the TV. I put a little design on the middle bar across, which is my skull sticker, just to cover the head of the wood screw connecting to the middle pole. Now let me put my PS4 Pro. After setting up all those cables, I need to put some clips to organize the cables at least. Now on top of this stand, I decided to put my Skype camera, which was before it was my PS3i camera, and also thought about putting a PS4 camera, but I decided not to because I'm not into those types of games. That would be all for today. Let me know what you think about this kind of setup. Please leave your comment down below and please subscribe and hit the bell because I'm looking forward to bring you more videos like this. Thank you once again to all and I'll see you again on my next video.